Hey there, fourth graders, I'm coming. I'm coming. All right, hi there. I hope things are going well for you. We've only got two math lessons left, two math review lessons left. I had a joke for you. What was it? I forgot. Oh yeah. Why was the equal sign so humble? Because he wasn't greater than or less than anyone else. That's a good one. All right, I know the background on this shows up really fuzzy because it's videoing a projection, but it's at least I can write on this rather than doing the screencast, so I think it'll work out a little better. So for today, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be finding the perimeter of objects. Now, we already did this about a month ago, but with the perimeter of objects, the main thing to keep in mind is that, you know, it doesn't have to just be rectangles and squares. So, for example, we did, and I'll make that one a little bit bigger, actually. You know, when we were doing these in class, you know, we did one that, let's say, it's 4 on the bottom and then 8 on the top. You know, if we're finding perimeter, perimeter just means that you're adding up all the sides. You're finding the length around the length around the object. Remember, I had that great big long video where I talked to you about times when I've used perimeter and area. So to find the perimeter of a shape that had 4 on the side and 8 on the other side, if it's a rectangle, you're just going to add up all the sides. So that would be 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 8 is 24. So this would be 24 units with my little picture here. But it doesn't have to just be a rectangle or a square. You could have weird oblong shapes like this. And if you do, it's nice because they gave you this nice grid where we know that each length is 1 unit. So to figure out what the perimeter of this shape is, all we have to do is count the distance around the outside of the shape. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this one would be 18 units. And you can count them along the side one by one if you want, or you can do it this way, which might be a little bit quicker. I see there's 2, I see another 2, a 1, and a 1, and a 2, and a 1, and a 1, and a 2, and a 1, and a 2. So I can go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. How did I get a different answer that time? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18. So I forgot to count those ones right there. So whichever way works, whether you want to sort of label the sides by chunking them together and adding them up, or just counting them up one by one around the whole side, that's up to you. Either way works just swimmingly. Let's do one more example. There it is. Okay, here's the next example. So this one is an oblong shape again, and we're finding the perimeter of it, which means we're just finding the shape of the outside. So I'm probably just going to trace this one because, you know, the last one where I had to, I have a sneeze. Oh, it left. My spring allergies are terrible this year. You know, with labeling the sides, it can get a little counterproductive. So you can just count them. So I'm just going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this shape, the perimeter is 20 units. So it's 20 units to go around the whole length of the outside. And that's really it for perimeter. Perimeter isn't too scary or too bad. In any form, if you've got a rectangle or square, it's a piece of cake. You just add up the sides. You can double one side and then double the other side and put them together. If it's a weird oblong shape like that, it's fine. You just count the outside edges. So it's really not too bad. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, be just as humble as the equal sign. You are not greater or less than anybody else. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.